Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I already filmed part of this thinking that it was going to be included in the last vlog, which it's not. So today I'm going to be rearranging and majorly organizing my office. So let's do a little before and then get started. My office is the biggest disaster. I don't know why it's just not functional at all. And I'm not even happy with how it looks, and I'm also just not happy with the functionality of it. So I'm thinking right now I'm going to rearrange. I'm gonna kind of measure and see if I can move that bookcase here so I can move the chairs over here so I can put my Christmas tree up there. We'll see, but something's gotta give because it is so unorganized here and I can't handle it anymore. So I'm gonna try and move some stuff around. I can't believe I'm even showing this to you guys, but this is the situation. A lot of these boxes just need to be recycled, so a lot of that is like very easy to clean up. I don't know why Adam put a pile of his clothes here. That needs to go, but just like general organization is non-existent. So I'm going to clean up all of these boxes. There's a couple like that box and the box of the green gift boxes. I need to find a home for them for now because I don't need them quite yet. It's just like supply stuff. So I think I'm going to move this behind my desk. See if I can move my desk forward enough to put that behind me as like an additional workspace. I don't know. I just realized that you cannot see anything that I was doing on the floor. I was organizing some clothing. So this is what it's looking like. This pile right here and the basket, both of those are going to go on to Poshmark. This large overflowing bag is going to be donated. And then these baskets were on top of this shelving unit. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet with those. It doesn't look like I have made any progress in here, but I actually have. So this shelving unit has been moved over to kind of like the edge of the wall. I might actually move it to this corner and then move that mirror somewhere else. I'm undecided because the room feels very unbalanced right now that this shelving unit behind my desk was moved from this wall. There's nothing like over here. So I don't know yet, but these shelves have been cleaned off. I had a bunch of clothing that I was going to sell and donate up here in bins, so those are gone. Up here, all I have, this is my favorite photo of Adam and I, and then some fake flowers. And then on these shelves, I just have these bins with some different bracelets in them. I actually just ordered more of these bins, so this entire shelf will be different types of bracelets, which I'm really excited about. So my organization will be better. I actually think I might need to order more of those. So that might actually take up like another shelf or two. This might be mostly inventory stuff. Once I get all of my inventory out there, I need to push that back into the shelf, and then that just has paper. I think I might put that in one of the bins that had the clothing in it so that it's kind of hidden. I want all of my supplies to be hidden. So I think I might put the bins there and put my other shipping packages in there. All right, I think that looks so much better. You can still see what's in there, but it just looks cleaner. And then I push the printer back. So that is where those shelves are at for now. These drawers are full of a lot of random things. Like this Dermalogica box is empty, but I just thought that it was a good quality box to store supplies in. And so what I need to do is actually figure out if I need it for supply storage, and if not, I need to just recycle it. So I'm going to empty these. Same with this Bare Minerals box. It's a really good quality box, but I don't know if I actually need it. So I'm gonna take everything out of these drawers and then see where I'm at. This whole stack, for the most part, is just like little notes and cards that Adam has given me. And so these I don't need to keep in my office. Obviously, I need to have just like a little box of sentimental stuff that is separated. All right, so in here is not even like a fraction of the amount of beads that I have. I also just went into my living room and grabbed all of these, as well as all of these. And then I have just my regular ones that I'm working out of, and those are still in my living room because I'm still working on them. So I'm going to try to organize these the best that I can, and then I'm just going to move on from it. I do have these organizers that I got from Amazon. I wanted to use them in my dressing room for my makeup, but I just don't think that they're going to work the way I wanted them to for my makeup. So I think I'm going to use them for the beads. I think this will be a good thing for beads. So I'm going to start in the second drawer down and try and just divide these. All right, my camera died, but here is the overview of what I've got so far. This is just kind of like tools and some supplies. Then I have friendship bracelets, and then I have, this is just some of my beads. Again, there's a ton of stuff back here that's not quite organized yet. And then in this last drawer, I just have some more beads. And these are the plastic containers from Amazon. They are able to be stacked on top of each other, which is really nice because then I can do 3 on top of each other and still close the drawer. So these are the wider ones, these are the skinny. I think the set comes with 2 skinny and 1 wide if I'm not mistaken, but I will link them below in case you're interested. And then I just have some more beads here. And then this last drawer is empty for the time being. Now I'm just going to move these chairs over to this spot. And then first I'm going to vacuum, and then I'm going to move those over. And then I think I'll be rearranged for now. Okay, the new plan is I'm not gonna move these chairs over here. I'm gonna keep the chairs there, and I'm going to move these gold shelves to that corner and move that mirror to this corner. So Adam just got home, he's gonna help me. I just got all of my new bins, which I will link these down below for you guys, but I got 2 packages of them, so I'm going to put them onto my shelves. So now I have them all the way across this shelf. I actually think I am going to get some more and put them either on this shelf up here or maybe on the lower shelf, or maybe both. So once I get these filled up, I will show you guys the end result. When I last left off, I decided it was time to do the Christmas tree. So Christmas tree is up in this corner, which does not take away from organizing this corner. So I just need to basically organize the top of my desk, go through all of this stuff, and then put all of the inventory onto my new bins and then write their names on them. I just use wet erase markers on these with all of the labels so that I can just wipe them off with a wet cloth if I do want to change them out. All right, friends, I think we have an organized office. So this is the overview of it. So I had my tripod. I wasn't sure if I was going to use it right now. That's obviously not just going to be there. But I have my 2 chairs, this little gallery. I'm not fully happy with this area, but it's fine for now. I do need to patch the wall. And then this is just donation stuff that I have to get rid of. And then I have my tree, which obviously will only be here for the season. And up here, I moved this print that my best friend got me. This is a ZZ plant. It apparently needs nothing, light, water. Literally, you cannot kill it. I just need to get a little pot for it. And then I have some extra bracelet storage / necklace storage here if I need it. And then I have a couple little Christmas decor things. And that photo that I love. I will link as many of these things as I can below. And then this shelf is all inventory stuff, which I do need to add probably 2 more, like 1 full shelf more. So I'll probably do 1 here and then 1 here. This is just faux fur and some sticks for photos. And then obviously some storage. And then this corner has, again, my acrylic calendar that I have not been filling out. This is a prayer plant. I will link the pot and stand, and then just some more inventory, and then supplies, and my desk, which my desk drawers are even like completely cleaned out. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed reorganizing and rearranging with me. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I actually filmed a decorate with me where I put up this tree and decorate it, and then also a couple other things around the house. So definitely subscribe for that video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.